In this video, you'll learn how to create plugins for Moltbook. This process involves using the OpenClaw control interface to generate a plugin system that integrates with the poster bot. Begin by navigating to the OpenClaw control interface. You can do this by entering the designated URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the OpenClaw control dashboard, which contains various options and tools for managing your plugins. Next, locate and click on the button or section labeled Prompt within the dashboard. This action will bring up a text input area where you can type commands related to plugin creation. After the prompt appears, type in the phrase "Create plugins in Moltbook." This specific command is essential as it instructs the system to initiate the plugin creation process. Once you have entered the command, ensure it is correct before proceeding. Following your command input, click on the button labeled Send to submit your request. This action will trigger the system to process your command. You may observe a brief loading indicator or animation as the system works to create the plugin. Upon successful processing, a message will appear confirming that the plugin system has been created. The message will read, "Don, I created a plugin system for Moltbook and wired it into the poster bot." This confirmation indicates that your plugin has been successfully integrated. If you do not see this message, verify your command and try again. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.